You are attending computer coding class. Please like and subscribe my channel.
Welcome. Today we will learn how to get systems memory information on Windows using Python. Here I am using psutil library package for getting Windows information. Here we will get total memory, available memory, used memory and free memory information. Let's start. First of all, we will install all necessary packages. Here I am using Anaconda command prompt in administrative mode for installation. Here base is the virtual environment of Anaconda command prompt. First of all, we will install psutil library by using pip manager. Next, we will use numpy package for some mathematical operations. Next, I am going to show you my system's memory, that is RAM. It has 3 GB total RAM. We will extract this information in detailed manner using Python. Here I am using Spider as an IDE. My Python version is 3.7. First of all, we will import both the library packages. First one is psutil and second one is numpy as np, where np is a label that show numpy. Next, by a single command we will get all the information. Here directly we cannot get the RAM information. Here it show the virtual memory, and then we will convert this virtual memory in our required format. Next, we will show the details about virtual memory, and now run the program. This is the virtual memory information. Here RAM details is given in bytes, but we want this information in GB. GB means gigabytes. Here all details are stored in a single variable. Next, we will break down all the details in different variables like total memory, available memory, used memory and free memory. Next, for converting memory in bytes to memory in GB, we will create a user defined function that's name is memory underscore GB. This function has a single parameter, that is memory in bytes. You all know that 1 kilobytes equal to 1024 bytes, and then 1 MB equal to 1024 KB, and 1 GB equal to 1024 MB. It means we will have to divide our memory in bytes with 1024 power 3. So in this function we will write x equal to memory underscore bytes divided by 1024 power 3. Next, we will round this result and cast into integer so that we can get the result in a single digit. Here I am using int function with np.round function. At last we will return the result x. Next, we will extract memory details in a detailed manner, and then by using memory underscore GB function we will convert the result in GB. First detail is total memory, second one is available memory, third one is used memory, and fourth one is free memory. Next, we will print all these details. First, total RAM, second one is available, third one is used, and fourth one is free. Here I am using str function because total details are in integer, and here we want to concatenate GB with our memory details. So we will have to convert memory details in string by using str function. Now we have created the total program. Next we will run the program. In output window it is showing total memory, available memory, used memory and free memory in GB. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.